Hello, all. I'm Meenakshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications in the College of Engineering and Technologies. In this video, we'll saw the concept of DOM-based XML processing. The document object model represents an XML document with three structures in memory. Each element, attributes, and text within the XML become a node in the trees. DOM processing allows for extension manipulations of XML data using methods like get element by ID and get element by tag name. It provides a standard language agnostic programming interface for accessing and manipulating documents. The document object model represents this table like this. Table name, rows, and the columns. Understanding the XML DOM trees. The XML DOM created tree structures view of an XML document, enabling access to all elements. This allows for modification, deletion, and creation of new elements. Elements, their content, and attributes are all considered nodes. Event-oriented processing. Stacks. Simple API for XML is an event-driven serial access mechanism for parsing XML. Unlike DOM, SAX does not load the entire XML document into memory, making it ideal for large document. A SAX parser reads the XML line by line, triggering event that can be processed with callbacks. XML parser. An XML parser is a software library or packages that provide interfaces for client application to work with the XML document. The XML parser is designed to read the XML and create a way for programming to use XML. XML parser validates the document and check that the document is well formatted. Types of XML parsers. There are two main types of XML parsers. One is DOM and another one is SAS. Document object model is an object which contains all the information of an XML document. It is composed like a three structures. The DOM parser implements a DOM API. This API is very simple to use. SAS, simple API for XML. The SAS parser implements SAS API. This API is event-based API and less intuitions. Comparing DOM and SAS parser. DOM parser create an in-memory tree structures, does not create internal structures, supports both read and write operations, event-based API, less intuitions. Simple API, good for random access, memory efficient, very fast for huge documentation, memory inefficient, slower for large document. Client don't have full document information. Transforming XML document. XSLT, Extensible Style Sheet Language Transformations, a language for transforming XML document into other format. Transformation process. XSLT use template that match specific XML element and define how each element should be transformed. How XSLT works. The extensible style sheet is written in XML format. It is used to define the transformation rules to be applied on the target XML document. The XSLT processor takes the XSLT style sheet and applies the transformation rules on the target XML document, and then it generates a formatted document in the form of XML, HTML, or text format. At the end, it is used by XSLT formatted to generate the actual output and display on the end user. The diagram shows the working process of XSLT. Selecting XML data with XPath. XPath is a powerful query language used to select nodes or data from an XML document. It is core component of the XSLT Standard. Xpath provide auth expression and a rich library of standard functions to access specific element attributes and portion of a XML document. Thank you.